gosh, that was right there.
He had to like put her mouth.
Get that, come on! Don't stop now! You don't need to breathe! That junk's overrated!
Come on, you're my hero! You're supposed to do this!
The watermelon is bigger than your head!
Okay. Come on in!
Mouth and a big watermelon.
Get that, look at her go!
Just throw it on the floor!
Look at him go!
I didn't drink soda before I got here.
Half Pint's pulling up the rear! Come on, you can do it!
Bro, you're getting beat by a white guy.
Pint.
Who eats watermelon? Oh, he's country.
Oh my goodness! He's a fierce competitor. A force to be reckoned with.
His hands are shaking.
I think you're gonna make watermelon juice out the other side, bro.
No, it's called a watermelon slushie.
Okay, we got.
It's not a Jolly Rancher.
Okay, we need a judge. Who's judging this?
That guy.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
It's between those two. It's between
That guy.
That guy.
Well, I'm pointing to his head at the camera, in the camera. That guy.
You guys call it. I can't be the judge because I'm a competitor.
That guy.
the guy in the steamy shirt.
That guy.
It's really close.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Next round. Okay, you guys, it was a split to tie.